the 27th January, Saturday, sit-in protest by students and women folk of Moreh town for the removal of commandos so that they could go to school. And also the placard reads, "We want peace, not commando. Remove arsonist CDO from Moreh for normalcy to return." And here, remove CDO so that we can go to school. And here, CDO is akin to arson. Remove them to save Moreh. Remove CDO so that we can go to school. Save our houses from fire by removing arsonist CDO. Remove Meitei militias from Moreh. We want reopening of schools. Remove Meitei militias from Moreh. So here are the children, school-going children and women folk having a peaceful sit-in protest for the removal of Manipur State commandos from Moreh. This is USB Nampi Chawkidar reporting live from Moreh.